How
Hello.
are you?
I'm all good.
Oh, you're on the terrace, it seems, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
brilliant, man. You've got a nice view out there.
yeah.
Awesome. So, for the viewers, guys, we have officially the youngest participant in our AMA series till date. We have Grish on board with us. He's just 16 years old. He's an actor. He's a content creator. He's been doing a lot of things. He's also preparing for JEE, which is what he's told me. He's just passed his 10th standard, if I'm not wrong, and that too with flying colors, guys, 91%, and an actor. Who? How do you feel, man?
I'm currently, first of all, a very happy Friendship Day to each and one of you who are
Oh yeah.
watching this live.
Thanks, man. Same to you. And everybody,
To
happy
you all.
Friendship Day. Yeah. So, Girish, so
Uh,
go on, go on. Tell me.
yeah, now currently, like, I'm just making content as it's lockdown everywhere. I'm just sitting home and whichever topic I get, whatever. So currently, I have made a video on Friendship Day. It will be out soon in next couple of hours after this live, maybe.
Oh,
And this live is going on great.
that's brilliant. Yeah, that's super cool. So, Girish, do you want to tell us about how your journey started? I mean, you are, I'm assuming, not assuming actually, you got 91% in your 10th standard. So, you're supposed to be
Right.
a studious student, and you're also, an actor. You're also creating content. Like, how do you manage all of these things together?
uh, there's nothing sort of managing. It just goes on. Like I don't have to do something extra. Just in my daily routine only. Like
Oh.
I just balance both of them.
That's super cool. Yeah, that's brilliant. So, what kind of acting do you do? Do you want to talk about where all you've acted? You have acted till date. Do you want to tell us more about your acting skills?
Pardon, please.
I'm saying, what kind of acting do you do? Do you want to talk about your acting skills and the kind of uh, you know actings you've done or the kind of sets you would have done?
Yeah. Basically, I am the acting winner of TV reality show Number One Driver season 3, and particularly in that reality show, I have been doing my emotional acting. The emotion is emotional, like crying and all sort of that, and like it was my specialty at that time. Currently, I'm focusing on comedy, entertaining people, and I'm also interested in mythological shows. I've did one of them as a child, Lord Vishnu,
Okay.
and it was a great experience.
I'm sure. So I saw one of your videos, one of your auditions rather, where you were doing this doctor set, and you're talking about how difficult it is to become a doctor, and how these days,
Right.
of course, people are not kind of treating the doctors the right way, and so on and so forth. Do you want to just do a very quick snippet from that, because I really love that video?
Should I act that?
Yeah, yeah. Why not? Go ahead.
Okay. So basically, it was I've got an award for the same video also for best expressions. Basically, it was it was emotional and very heart touching monologue. The script
Correct.
was powerful. So okay, just I'll try. Uh, पहले लगता था कि 10th के बाद मजे, नहीं नहीं, 12th के बाद मजे। अरे नहीं भाई, कॉलेज के बाद तो भैया मजे ही मजे। ये मजे मिल रहे, एक्स्ट्रा टाइम काम, और अगर कोई पेशेंट ना बच सके तो मारने भरवाने की धमकियां। It was just
Wow,
a
dude,
small
that was
dialogue from.
brilliant. That was so cool. That was so cool. I mean, just in a moment, you just transformed yourself. You became a different person altogether, man. Hats off. Really, really good. I'm sure the audience loved it as well because I loved it. I
Thank you.
honestly loved it. Okay. Okay, so what about content creation, Krish? Do you want to talk about the kind of content you've been creating, and where do you want to go from here, from being a creator perspective?
Yeah, currently actually everyone is sitting home. I'm sitting home, so like I'm having a lot of time to do something.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought that let's make some content. Let's go on social media and try that out. So like I'm creating content based on my life, whatever things are happening in my life. For example, when I had my results, so I made few videos on that particular topic, on CBSE results, on results. So I also had posted a photo, I am holding a board on my hand and I've just wrote that result आने के बाद में कितने मार्क्स आए पूछना मत, अच्छे हो गए तो खुद ही बता दूंगा. And like it went viral. It got more than 30,000 reach, and like more than 8,000 people shared it on their story. So like it was, I didn't expected that. And it gave me motivation, and like I made a few more videos on that particular topic. So
Uh-huh.
whatever things are going in my life, I'm just converting it into videos, in the form of relatable videos, and just posting it.
Yeah, I saw. So I've seen that that image of yours when you're holding this board. I did not know. I mean, that went so. I mean, it reached out to so many people, but it was super cool. Yeah, it was actually really good. I could relate to it, and I'm sure, of course, I'm too old for your generation. But then I'm assuming people who have just kind of appeared for the exams and everything, they would have been able to relate to it as well. Super cool. So, tell me something. You also talked about the fact that, so, I mean, when we were doing this discussion earlier, you talked about the fact that you've been doing a lot of online auditions now that it's locked down and now that, you can't go to the studios. Do you want to talk about that? How does that work? What is the procedure? Maybe tell our audience as well, and they would be able to participate also.
So basically, before all this pandemic and all the lockdown, open auditions were being held in Mumbai mostly, and we have to go and step in and just give our auditions. But due to all this lockdown and all, it's not possible. So everything is going on online. So similarly, auditions are also going on online, and the procedure is what that we get requirement details from social media or from our WhatsApp groups or whatever. I have many contacts, so I get direct messages from the casting directors and casting agencies. You can also join Facebook groups. You can get audition info from there also, and they just send us requirement, and if we fit in that requirement, in that age group, in that height, in that skin color, skin tone, and all that, we just have to send our profiles, our details, and that we have to send one audition link, one intro link. Basically audition link is a audition video which we have to record. We have to record a self audition and we have to upload it on YouTube. It could be unlisted also, and we just have to send a link, and based on that they will just if they think that we fit in that requirement, then they will contact us, and they will send us scripts, and then we have to just record our audition on that particular script and send them, and they will contact us if we get selected.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So, how difficult is it, Grish? Because I understand, I mean, being a student and studies and a lot of other things, and being an actor, and actually, I'd say aspiring to become a huge actor as well in this case. How difficult is it? Like, what is it that you have thought through or fought through? How was the journey? Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, sure. I've started my journey of becoming of acting basically when I was around 9 or 10. Nine. I have did theaters at that time in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have joined some local theater groups, and I've did Marathi theaters basically.
Mm-hmm.
After that, in 2000, basically 2000, I guess 17, I just saw an online ad of number one driver season 3's auditions are going on, and it was also online audition. We have to send our video So I just sent my single video, and I got selected. I had no clue about that, and after clearing rounds, there was a mega audition in Delhi. Then further rounds were in Mumbai, and it was my first break, basically in camera acting. It was my first and big break, and it was a life changing experience for me. After that, basically, I got more serious to enter this industry, and after that, I did many short films. I did international web series, Legendary Location, and basically, I got a good support from my school. Whenever there were shoots, they used to cooperate. My friends used to send me all the notes on WhatsApp, and I used to just read them. And basically, if the exam used to overlap, basically last year only, my exams were been overlapping with one of my shoots for Epic Channels show, Epic IQ Challenge, and my I have missed my 4 exams of first term. So the school has just rescheduled the re-examination for me. They have changed the question paper, and I have to give it. There's no choice. It's not like that कि मुझे exams नहीं देने पड़ते. I have also मुझे भी देने पड़ते exams, and
Right.
the school was very cooperative.
So actually, that was my follow-up question, Grish. I wanted to understand how is the support important, or how important is this support for you? Because of course, one person without any support cannot do anything. So do you want to talk about that as
Basically,
well?
yeah, sure. Basically, support. There are many foundation pillars to reach somewhere, and one of them is support. If we don't have, if the foundation is not good, if the support is not good, then we can't build a good and high building. It will fall down like that only. The support is very essential. It is important, and it is very helpful also for each and every person. That support could be from friends, from families, from schools, from offices, or wherever you work. Like the support is needed. That
Correct.
like very essential thing.
So have you had some sort of formal education as well in theater or in acting, or is it pure passion that you're seeing?
Not yet.
No. But
Like
do you plan to do that?
I passed my class 10th, and I'm not having any such plannings.
Okay, so you don't plan to join any acting school or anything like that, just in case.
I've did few workshops, but it's not. You can't tell it a formal education. Like formal education is like NSD, National Schools of Drama in Delhi, or IFIF in Pune, which has some degree or some certificate. I have not did any such of courses, but I've did some workshops of 3 days, 4 days. Like I've did many such workshops in Mumbai, in Aurangabad. Like जब भी मुझे ऐसा कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है, वर्कशॉप हो रहा है, आई जस्ट एंटर. लाइक देयर इज नथिंग, देयर इज नो डिसएडवांटेज. लाइक अगर कुछ मिलेगा ही हमें, उससे हमें कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा. अगर कुछ नहीं मिला तो फिर लाइक कुछ खो तो नहीं रहे हम. लाइक
Correct.
हर चीज से हमें कुछ मिल ही रहा है. सो लाइक आई हैव डिड मेनी सच वर्कशॉप्स समवेयर. लाइक
Nice. That's such a strong statement, Krish. I really like that. I mean, we're not losing anything. Eventually, कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा ही. Otherwise, we'll come back a better person. Maybe. Yeah, there's nothing to lose out there.
राइट.
That's super cool. Yeah. So at this point in time, I want to tell the audience that just in case if they have any question, I'm scrolling down the comments. If anybody has any question for Grish, please ask right away. We'll be taking those questions towards the end. Just put them in the comments, and we'll take every question. Like literally, will not miss any question until the time you are asking
Sure.
questions. I get to ask questions, of course, to Grish. So I have a lot of other questions, Grish, that I want to ask. So tell me something. How do your parents react when you tell them that I want to be an actor and this is this is the career that I've chosen for myself, because it's a very difficult path typically, right? So how do they react?
They are very supportive, as I told. Like they just tell that balance the studies and this. That's it.
Which you've been
Like
doing
if you are
well.
doing good in studies, yeah, if you are doing good in studies, then we will support you. Will fully support you in this acting.
Wow, yeah, that's really good. I mean, if your parents are supporting you, then I don't think there's any other problem that you would face, or whatever problem you would face, you'd be able to overcome that.
Pardon, please.
I'm saying that's really good. Yeah, if your parents are supporting, I think 90% of the battle is won already.
Yeah, right.
Correct. And which part of the country do you reside in? You were somewhere in Maharashtra, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, in Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
Aurangabad. So do you plan to permanently shift to Mumbai as well? And this is an assumption, a wild assumption, because most of the aspiring actors
Yeah,
would want to go to Mumbai.
actually, I was planning it after my 10th, as soon as my exams were been finished. But after, like, my exams were finished on 18th March. I had my ticket of 21st March, and on 19th March, there was lockdown.
Oh,
So all my plans got cancelled, and like now they have all been changed because of this all this situation. I don't think so that everything would be fine till at least in till December. So like I have now planned. I have now made my mind to do my 11th and 12th in Aurangabad itself. After that, let's see.
that's good. Yeah, that's really good. I mean, while I understand lockdown would have changed the plans, but till the time you're determined, I'm sure you'll be able to kind of take that up. Brilliant. So tell me something now. If you have to say choose between JEE, let's say you clear the exam, and hopefully you would clear that, of course, and you get a real good college, and then there's acting on the second side. And if you have to choose between one of these two, what would the option be?
Basically, my goal is for IIT Powai, that's in Mumbai. So that I can like manage both the things. Mostly things are in Mumbai only, and I also want to study in IITs, and I have a high interest in science and technology. I have made I used to make many projects in my in past few years. I have made many projects. I have made using Arduino and stuff like that. And I'm highly interested in both of the things.
Okay, we have lost Krish. I think there's some internet connection problem there. We'll just wait for him to come back online. But dude, like this guy is a package man, full on package. He's been doing. I mean, he had 91% in 10th standard. Okay, you're back. Brilliant. We lost you for a brief moment there. Do you want to repeat what you were saying?
Pardon, please.
I'm saying we missed you for a brief moment there, and you're talking
So,
about the projects and the kind of stuff that you have made in
yeah,
the past.
I was saying that my goal is to take admission in IIT Powai only, in Mumbai only, so that I can like manage both of the stuff.
That's
And I'm highly interested in science as well as acting. So like,
yeah. You sorted there, and you know exactly what to do. Brilliant. So we are just about to kind of run out of time. So before we go, Grace, do you want to kind of give an advice or something to somebody who would want to start now as an actor? And I mean, look at me as well, because I was once upon a time interested in acting. Of course, could not and did not do anything
oh,
about
that's
it
great.
there. But say,
You can
and we have a lot of
you
other
can
people
do
also.
you can start now. There's no age to enter this industry. This industry needs character of every age, from babies to the old age. So basically, I would
That's
say
true.
that start learning acting first. To everyone who wants to enter this industry, start learning it for free from internet, from YouTube. I've started from there. There, basically, I would suggest the Joint Films YouTube channel. I would say it's Google of Bollywood. You'll get each and every answer from there. You want to become an actor, you want to become a singer, you want to become a choreographer, you want to become a director, you want to become a cinematographer. You'll get each and every answer from that YouTube channel. That's like amazing. I've started learning from that YouTube channel. I've learned from it from YouTube. I started learning from YouTube, and from that only I have won this reality show. And after winning this reality show, I had invested on myself in learning acting and doing workshops. So first I learned for free. there's a lot of things available for free on internet. So grab it.
Right.
Don't like free है तो क्या free है तो फिर मतलब बकवासी होगा. It's not like that. It's highly valuable content.
Right.
Like you can learn anything on internet today. So just start for free from online, and then start giving auditions. Start giving online auditions. Do research. Search what's audition like. Know what's the process. It's all available on internet. I'm saying it again. It's all available on internet. Just have a look for it. And I would say that don't give up. Don't give up. Never give up. Like, can you hear me? Actually,
Yes.
there's train.
No, I can hear you.
That's train right here. So maybe you can't. My voice would be not audible.
No, go on, go on. I can hear you.
Yeah. So I was saying that don't give up, because that was my first audition for number one drama pass. First audition of my life, and I got selected. Like, but after that, after doing that particular show, I gave many auditions for ads, many auditions for TV serials, but I got rejected. That the reason could be anything. It could be I am not fitting in the character. My height is not appropriate. My looks are not appropriate. The reason could be anything. It's not like मेरे मेरे talent की वजह से I got rejected. It could be anything, and you just don't have to give up, because as I told, I succeeded in my first auditions, but then I was rejected in many auditions after that. So we can't say anything
Right.
where life will take us in future. So just keep trying, and if you are really talented, if you are if अगर सच में मन से ऐसे कुछ इच्छा है कुछ कर दिखाने की, then you will do it for sure.
Brilliant, yeah. That's real good advice from Krish right there. Who's been struggling, he's been doing a lot of stuff, creating content, being an actor, studying, so on and so forth. So, Krish, thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you. Beautiful conversation. I'm sure a lot of people who were watching us would have liked this as well. I
Yeah.
loved it, and I look forward.
I also enjoyed it. I hope that everyone would have learned something from it.
Yes, and I really look forward to see you on the big screen very, very soon, Krish.
Thank you so much for your wishes.
All the best. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Okay,
Bye.
take care.
You too.